Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Oh, you guys were so into this look and thank you so much for that because I loved it too. And I actually filmed this for Instagram, but you guys were so into it and I can't forget about my YouTube fam. So here it is. It goes really quick. So yeah, I'm using the Becca Cosmetics foundation, 24-hour foundation in the shade Olive. And I'm using Liquid Frost from Jeffree Star and mixing it all together. Not sure what brush this is. It looks awful. It was actually clean, but I mean like the grip doesn't really look clean, but I believe it's from NYX Cosmetics, but not sure about that. And I know you guys are so anti-yellow foundation, but personally, I feel like you have to trust the process because at the end of the look, it always looks really good. Whereas if I use like neutral tones, it makes me look really ashy and you have to trust me on that. Now I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. Not sure what shade it is, but it's the perfect shade to contour my face with. But I'm using it all the time, so it will probably like show up in another tutorial. I'm also contouring my forehead, which I never did in the beginning, but I saw Makeup by Aunt doing it all the time, so I thought, let me give it a try. And for some reason, it just looks so good. It just looks really good, and so that's why I'm doing it all the time right now. And the one and only Tarte Shape Tape concealer in probably light medium honey because that's the shade that I'm always using. And I just highlight where I usually highlight, and yeah, there's nothing special about this part. You guys know what I do. I'm going in with the sponge from Queen Tarji. It's actually a really nice sponge, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. It's a really good drugstore translucent powder, and you don't have a lot of good drugstore translucent powders out there. So give it a try and let me know what you think. So to set the contour, I'm using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This just smells so good and I actually feel like I have to use it more often. I think I am using the BH Cosmetics brush for this, but I am not 100% sure. It could be NYX Cosmetics as well though. I'm going in with the Liquid Frost again because if you apply highlighter on a wet base, the highlighter is just going to really show. But I was actually already really impressed with the Liquid Frost and I am absolutely loving it. But I was very excited and curious about this Sub-Zero palette, which is from Be Perfect Cosmetics, which was customized. I felt so special. But it's from Be Perfect Cosmetics in collaboration with the one and only Mama Mitchell. And I mixed two shades. One was a little bit more golden and the other one was a little bit more rose gold. Really impressed because it looked absolutely amazing. For blush, I'm using Sweet Cheeks from Rimmel London. This is a dupe from the Peaches blush from MAC. It's such a perfect shade. And now I'm going in with Safari palette from Natasha Denona. I'm using this beautiful brown color. You guys, I mean, look at the pigmentation. Every time I use her stuff, I just get so excited, even though I just know that it's next level. I always call her products like next level because it really is. I know it's not really cheap and it's actually quite expensive, but I would rather like throw away 5 palettes just to keep this palette because it's just so good. And they're so easy to blend and it's just kind of like butter eyeshadows without losing the pigmentation if you'll blend it. So as you can see, I'm creating kind of like a C shape. I call this the panda eye. And I'm only blending the edges of the shadow. I think I'm using the Urban Decay tapered blending brush. But as you can see, I'm just going in back and forth, blending and applying the shades until I'm satisfied with how it looks. But I mean, look at the blend. It's just so easy. You don't have to be a pro for this. I mean, I'm not, but it's just so good. Now I'm using slightly more cool tone brown and I'm making both edges darker, so like the inner corner, but also the outer corner to create this halo eye. And girls or guys, I feel like if you create a halo eye, it always looks so interesting without doing, putting in a lot of effort into the look because it just looks automatically like really good. So I'm blending that as well. And now I'm going in with this beautiful, I can't really describe this color. You have to help me out because it's just, I wouldn't say like peachy, I wouldn't say pinky. It's just such a beautiful, unique color. I am blending this with a darker shadow and I think they complement each other very, very well. So I'm going in with the gold palette. As you can see, I was so surprised by the shimmer. I'm not sure why I'm still surprised by Natasha Denona products, but every time she comes with something, I'm like, oh, it's just so good. But anyways, I'm applying the shimmer all the way up to the brows. So if you look straight, you can still see something of that halo eye going on. Now I'm using the same shades from the Safari palette and I am applying this on my lower lash line to smoke it out a little. And from the gold palette, I'm going in with this kind of like a mustard yellow color. And honestly, it's just a detail, but it brought this look from a 7 to a 10, even though if I say it myself, oh, it's such a unique color and it goes perfect with this look. For my inner corners, I've used, I think, 2 shimmer shades, one a little bit more cool toned and one a little bit more golden. The inner corner highlight is just everything. I'm lining my waterline with the Morphe brushes lip liner, but I believe you can also use it for your eyes. And if not, we're just going to use it for the eyes as well. But it's such a beautiful color. It's the shade Trendsetter, which is a beautiful brown color. Obviously, I'm wearing contacts, but if you have eyes similar like this, oh, first of all, you're lucky. But second of all, it's just going to look really, really good. I'm using the Iconic London Boom Mascara and I've applied Tati Lashes in TL23. I'm not sure what lip liner I've used, but I am in a doubt between like Cork or Strip Down from MAC. And maybe I mixed it with a little bit more of a pinky lip liner. I can't remember, but I do remember this liquid lipstick because it's one of my fave. It's the Ofra Cosmetics Angelus liquid lipstick. And I feel like it goes so well with this look. I mean, it's kind of like a pinky metallic cool toned nude color. And you guys know I love to have warm eyes and cool toned lips. And that's pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.